around our waist. Prerequisite, waist hooping. If you're not feeling solid on your waist just yet, check out the link below, troubleshooting waist hooping. I've got a video on that. And then when you're ready, come back and join in. So the first one that we are going to learn is a walking turn. There's a couple of different ways to do it, so we're going to look at both of them, and we're going to look at it without a hoop first. So step one is we're going to walk in a circle as fast as we can with our torso remaining upright. So really go for it, like really go as quick as you can, quick as you can, quick as you can. You don't need to push. The momentum, if you turn fast enough, will actually keep the hoop going, yeah? The other way to do it is a step push. So every time you take a step and land, you're going to push forward, push forward, push forward. So as you lift your leg is when you come back, and when you plant your leg is when you come forward. Let's try the first variation first because it's easier. The easiest way to learn this is not from the hoop spinning, but starting to turn as soon as you push the hoop. So give it a push, walk in a circle real quick. Real quick, real quick. Keep your belly strong, torso upright. Really go for it. Woohoo! If you're dizzy, which I am, plant the balls of your feet on the ground, bounce your heels. That'll help settle everything in your body. Let's do that way one more time and then we'll have a look at the other way. So give it a push, walk in a circle, strong torso, eyes up, chest up, belly on, boom. Okay, the next one is our step push. So this is where we want to work on having more control through our belly and through our body so that we can start to move a little bit more with the hoop instead of just running around in circles. The easiest way to start this one, I think, because we need to find the rhythm of the hoop, is from its spinning. So get that hoop spinning on your waist. If you push the hoop with your right hand, and I should have said this before to give you the direction to turn, if you push the hoop with your right hand, that means that you are hooping towards your left. And if you push the hoop with your left hand to get it going, that means you're hooping towards your right. So what we want to make sure that we do is always turn in the direction of the hoop for these particular moves, yeah? So when we did this push and turn, we're going to turn in the direction the hoop is going. I push with my right hand, I turn to my left. Same thing here. So give the hoop a push. Notice which hand you pushed it with. So I pushed with my right hand, it means I'm going to turn to my left. And we're going to try and pick up one leg at a time. Step, push, step, push, step, push. To give you the slow-mo of what my body's doing. Although in all honesty, this is more about practice than trying to nut it out. Like if you try and think about it too much, it's like your head takes over and your body can't feel what's actually happening. And this is a real feeling one. So I'll do a slow-mo, kind of close up, watch my belly, watch my legs. All right, that is our walking turns. Quick recap, give it a push, walk in a circle as fast as you can. Second one is a step, push, step, push. So really practice here. Nice tall torso, nice strong belly. The other thing I will give you is just a little tip. What people often do is they look at their hoop with their head. You can look at your hoop with your eyes so that your head doesn't have to drop, because when our head drops, our body tends to sag into this position and then we can't hoop properly. So if you need somewhere to help keep your head kind of lifted, I suggest that you look at, like if you're inside, look at where the wall meets the ceiling so you can kind of carry yourself around that way with that kind of length and focus. And if you're outside, pick something, maybe it's trees or something like that to follow around, yeah? Step, push, step, push, step, push, find a rhythm. And that is our turning walk. The next tutorial that's going to drop is going to be a pivot turn. So look out for that one, and let's get 5 different turning variations locked into our hoop dance flow. If you want to make sure that you don't miss out on when these drop, please subscribe and click the little bell so that you get dinged when the things happen. Happy hooping!